PRIMA Ceiling Seamless is a complete ceiling system specially designed for internal and external ceiling application. It diminishes common problems stemming from water, mold, termite, fire, and weather changes. In order to get started, let us first know the components and tools needed for installation. Step 1. Preparation. Step 2. PRIMA Ceiling Batten Framing Installation. Install the ceiling hanger at maximum 900 mm. Install the ceiling runner at maximum 610 mm, span between two runners and fasten to ceiling hanger. Install the ceiling joist at maximum 407 mm, span between two joists, and lock it using the PRIMA interlocking clip to the runner batten. For ceiling joist where there is the board jointing, adjust it to be at center for two boards. Ensure the ceiling runners and joists are reasonably flat and level. For the ceiling batten installation guide and specification, kindly refer to Figure 1. The joist ceiling at side should be installed at maximum 50 mm gap from wall. A nogging is required at 1220 mm board joint. Use PRIMA ceiling batten as nogging, and it has to be pre-cut to fit into the joist. The nogging is installed by slotting in the back of the board and then fasten the board to nogging accordingly as shown in Figure 2. Do not fasten the ceiling nogging to joist as it will create additional gap to the flush joint area. All the ceiling battens are fastened using the PRIMA fastener needle point. Step 3. Board installation. PRIMA Flex ceiling or rebated board must be in dry condition when installed. If board is wet, please allow it to dry. Install PRIMA Flex ceiling or rebated board. Add along the ceiling joist in a staggered pattern. Refer to Figure 3. At least 2 workers are required for PRIMA Flex ceiling or rebated board installation. Workers are required to hold the board on each side. Fasten the board from center to side. Refer to Figure 4. This will minimize the board undulating effect. Fasten the board to ceiling joist as per Figure 3. The fastener's distance is at maximum 200 mm at board edges and maximum 300 mm at board center for internal and external. Use only PRIMA fastener needle point for the fastening. Fasten the board 12 mm minimum from edge and 50 mm minimum from corners as shown in Figure 3. All fasteners must be embedded into the board. Use scraper to check the fastener's levelness. Step 4. Flush jointing. at board jointing areas and fasteners. Use damp sponge to clean the board jointing surface and ensure the board surface is free from dust. Embed the PRIMA perforated paper tape with PRIMA jointing compound using taping tool onto the recessed joint area. Press and squeeze the excessive jointing compound from the perforated paper tape using 150mm scrapers. Immediately apply another layer of PRIMA jointing compound, approximately 150mm wide, using 150mm scrapers onto the perforated paper tape. Ensure the perforated paper tape is fully covered by jointing compound. Do not overflush the jointing compound. We recommend a maximum of only 5 times flushing. For fastener points, apply first and second layers of PRIMA jointing compound. Ensure the fastener points are smooth. When dry, which takes about 4 to 6 hours depending on ambient condition and compound thickness, lightly scrap away the uneven surface of the flush joint areas and fasteners areas using scraper to get an even finish before any finishing. Apply another layer of jointing compound if necessary. Refer to Figure 5 for flush joint detail. Step 5. Panel finishes. Prior to application of paint finishes, remove any jointing compound residual and ensure the ceiling surfaces are dry. Make sure the board surface is in smooth condition and free from dust or any contaminants prior to painting. For more info, do check us out on primafibercement.com.